Have I wanted to do this for a very long time? Yes. No. See, I've thought about recording my gameplay, streaming my gameplay even. I have a Twitch account ready for that, although it's not ready to stream. I do plan on streaming maybe Luigi's Mansion or Pokemon. For sure, the new Pokemon, and maybe a Hat in Time if people want to see that, because it's a very fun game. I've always wanted to play this. I even have recorded footage of me playing the first few chapters of Fire Emblem Three Houses, but that never came out because I'm lazy. I never got around to editing the footage, and because I'm still a student, I don't have the time to do that. But I'm gonna sit down and record this game. I don't know what to tell you about this game. It looks incredibly fun. So I was on top of this game when it came out. Its release, I was there, I got it, and I didn't play it because I knew in my mind that I wanted to record this. My first experience, my first impressions and experience with this silly game. This would be a great start to doing something with gaming on my YouTube channel. So here we are, and I'm ready to go into it. Oh, also, I apologize because my capture card for the Nintendo Switch somehow is not capturing audio, and I have a feeling it's because my monitor itself doesn't have any audio. So I've set up a speaker right next to my microphone in front of me with all the game audio coming out. I don't know how it's gonna sound, and I don't know if I can do anything about that because it would also alter my voice. Just hoping that it's gonna be okay. Anyways, here we go. Let's do it. House. What a name. House. So, I've seen a bunch of playthroughs online on YouTube from my favorite gaming channels of this game. And so, it's not really a surprise to me anymore, but I haven't had the experience of being the troll in this game just yet. And so first of all, I just like to say, what do you mean, Untitled Goose Game? That's the title! Okay. Press Y to honk. Yeah. Oh, look at that. We're majestic. We're a goose. Press B to run. Oh, this is so unwieldy. I didn't think it'd be this hard to control. Hold ZL to bend forward. Oh, I'm just eating this trunk. Don't mind me. Oh, I can run like this. Press A to use your beak. Yes! I have the boot! I have the boot! What can I do with the boot? Alright, you're not fun. Can I do anything with the bike? Oh! I can ring the bell. Oh, that's sick. Wow, it's so hard to control. It's a lot harder to control than I thought. Is this a tennis ball? Drop it. Alright. Oh! Wait, I'm an idiot. I expected something to happen. Oh! Sick. Oh, we're breaking out. Hold ZR to spread your wings. Oh, look at that waddle. This is how you T-pose and show the world who's in charge. Alright. Yeah! And that's the game, guys. Thank you for watching. No, I'm kidding. Wait a minute. Did someone have a picnic here? No. We just steal the entire. Oh! What is this game? Wait a minute. That looks so mechanical. It's just. It looks like a robot goose opening up its wings. What's over here? Oh, it's a nice blanket. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is the garden. Press minus to see your to-do list and controls. Okay, so this is my controls list. It's pretty simple. I'm a goose. I don't know what else I can do except destroy everyone's life. Get into the garden. Get the groundskeeper wet. Steal the groundskeeper's keys. Make the groundskeeper wear his sun hat. Rake in the lake? Is that an R or an N? I think it's R. Rake makes more sense than nake. Have a picnic. Bring to the picnic a blanket, a sandwich, an apple, a pumpkin, a carrot, jam, thermos, radio, and basket. Okay, well, I know we can get a few of those things. Wait, did it say apple? Yes. Okay, we're just gonna steal everything. Wait, I put the basket in the lake. No, wait. Oh no. Quick. We need to get the basket before it drowns. Oh, it didn't drown. Okay, it's right here. Baby Moses, we're saving you. You're gonna join us on our nice picnic, Moses. And then we're gonna eat you. We're gonna eat you, Moses. Our picnic is going to happen soon. Oh, it crossed things off for me. Cool. Right, I should get into the garden first. Let's just do these things one at a time. I feel like this list is written in a way that... Why would I do this? Wait. Wait. Why isn't the radio... Why is nothing happening? Oh. Hold R and L to zoom in and out. Ooh. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Run. Oh, the keys. The keys. Wait. Give me the keys. Oh, no, no. Give me the keys. Run. Steal the groundskeeper's keys. Alright, this is our hideout. This picnic table is our hideout. Although he can literally see keys. Oh! Wait. Give me the door. Yeah! Wait! I have the keys. Does that mean he's locked out of the garden? Wait. I completed like... That was a mission? Oh, to do as well? I have bonuses? Alright. Well, let's get the groundskeeper wet. Oh, no. Oh, wait, no. Haha. Oh, so, okay, so. If he can get back inside. Who's dominant now? So if I can get him inside and stand here, I can get him wet by turning the sprinklers on. While he's outside, though, I'm gonna loot his stuff. You're coming with me! Oh, this is a big one. What you gonna do, man? Huh? What you gonna do about this? Huh? Let me hide this here, because this is actually really big. What else do I need? Carrot, thermos, jam. Grab it! Run! Oh, baby. Carrot. Oh, these are carrots. Right here, right here. What's a thermos, though? No, I know what a thermos is, but... Oh, wait, is that a thermos? Up here? We're just stealing everything. If I were a human and not a goose, I feel like I'd have to kill the groundskeeper to take all his stuff. But, hey, buddy. What you gonna do, huh? Oh, there's the rake. Oh, there's the sun hat. All right. Give me the rake. Uh-oh. Did we lock ourselves in? Buddy, where are you going? Oh, no. He's going towards the picnic basket. No. He's going towards the picnic blanket. We gotta get out of here. We gotta go protect our loot. It's horrible. Oh! Goose, what are you doing? No. I'm bad at video games. Strategy. Hello, sir. Wait, what? You kick me? What? What is that supposed to mean? Oh, wait. Run. Drop it. Grab the keys. Run. Hello, sir. Did you drop your keys? Here you go. Wait, what? What? I gave you the keys. Here, take the keys. What? But dude, oh, I see how this game is programmed now. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Oh boy. Run. Alright, let's grab the rake. Let's get out of here. Oh no, he found our loot. Alright. The rake is in the lake. Mission accomplished. If he's distracted, grab the pumpkin. Yes, he's distracted. Quick. Mission impossible. Stealth. Alright, my mans, where you at? This is just full stealth. No honking. Goose, no honking. No honking. So the strategy is, if you want to get somewhere fast, like outrun people, you have to run. But when you run, you can't turn very well. Oh! Nothing to see here. I'm just a goose. Hey! Stop kicking me. He's looking for the shovel. I am going to lure him over here. Get over here, boy. Alright, now let's... No! Come! Buddy! We gotta get him wet. Yeah! Alright, mission accomplished. Where is he? I'm scared. Oh no, we've been spotted! Mission compromised, mission compromised. Abort, 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 abort! Oh, he chased me into the bushes! No! I object! Little does he know. That's just a decoy. For the carrot, yeah! I can go back for the jam later. Hey man, are you feeling tortured yet? What? He made me drop the jam, and he didn't... Wait. Where is he? Goose. Stealth mode. It's like, this is Metal Gear, but it's Goose and not Snake. This is Goose here. Colonel, we've spotted the intelligent man while I'm under reconnaissance. Oh no, we've been spotted. Abort, 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 abort. He dropped it. Oh, that was a 1500 IQ play. I turned on the water, knowing that he'd be distracted by it, and drop the jam, so I could take the jam. Can I take the rose? I can take the rose! Oh! Wait. Oh! There we go. Okay, so I see. So if I steal his hat and I throw it somewhere he can't reach, and he'll wear his sun hat. Fight me now, you man! Oh no, he's... Ah! I didn't think he could come into the lake! Oh, and he found the rake. Is that the radio? I wonder. It is. I have the rose. Ha ha ha! I knew it! He drops the radio. Okay. Operation Steal His Hat is now in business. Hat stolen. What do I do with it? If he goes out into the lake, do I have to go somewhere even more obscure than that? Alright, let's go over here. What the heck? No! Oh my gosh, this is stuff from Nightmares. This is the stuff of Nightmares, dude. I didn't think he would chase me all the way out here. Alright, next time, I'm putting the hat over there. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting. Alright. Third time's a charm. Let's go, 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 let's go. Yeah, baby. Where's he at? Where's he at? Did I lose him? Oh, okay, cool. So it worked. Alright, we've had our picnic. I.e., we've stolen everything the groundskeeper cares and loves for. A new to-do list item. Make the groundskeeper hammer his thumb? Oh, we are evil, Goose. Alright. Okay, so here's the thing. When I saw people playing this game, I didn't see anyone do the as well to-do list. So I'm wondering if these are simply hidden objectives or if I have to like unlock them somehow. Alright, I'm gonna wait for him to put his hat on so I get the achievement. Oh, wait, where'd the hat go? Wait a minute. Oh, what the heck? Here you go. See? It helped you put your hat on. Oh, so I have to. Oh. Die! Yeah! Fight me! I'm taking your keys. I'm taking your keys. Run! Run away to victory! Can I drop the keys in the pothole? No! What the heck? Alright, come here. Oh! This woman! You woman! Oh, new to-do list. Break the broom? Alright, let's do it. Fight me, lady. Give me the broom. Give me the broom. Give me the broom. Yeah. All right. We've broken the broom. Trap the boy in the phone booth. Dominance. Ah. Oh, it's working. Is that a phone booth? Yep. Get in there. Stay in there. Cool. Oh, he's calling the shop owner. Make the boy wear the wrong glasses. Make someone buy back their own stuff. Get on TV. Go shopping. Okay, so get on TV is here. Hi there. I'm just a happy little goose. Hey, you! Okay, fine. I'm gonna get on TV. Assert my dominance on TV. Oh! Okay, well. Oh! Oh! She fixed the broom? How? Hey, boy. Let's play. You just see a goose waddle up to you with a plane in his mouth, kicking a soccer ball towards you. What kind of an image is that? Alright, so he's playing. I'm gonna untie your shoelaces. Okay, and then I'm gonna steal your glasses! Yeah. Okay, I need to stop the evil laughing. Ooh, look, a bucket. Oh. Okay, apparently the bucket's not real. And neither are we. My glasses. Oh, I'm shoplifting. I'm shoplifting. Get away from me. Boy, here are your glasses. Take them, put them on. What are you gonna do now, huh? You woman? I'm going to put the plane in the shop. And I'm going to make you buy it back. Hello, ma'am. Boy, stop following me. Wait, where am I supposed to put the plane? Did she just take the... Oh! What was that? Get out! No. You cannot... Oh! I thought that was a knife. No! Boy, give me that plane. Oh, she picked it up. That was such a mess, but did it work? She's got it. Alright, I'm just gonna sit and watch. I took it from her. Oh, they're having a heated discussion. Look at me just crawling under the table. Meanwhile, I'm just... Yes, silently. Asserting dominance. Ooh, a new item. Oh, wait, I have to go shopping. Toothbrush. Loo paper. Loo paper. Alright. Hairbrush. Tinned food. Tinned food. A cleaner, fruit and veg. Veg. Fruit and veg. I need a basket. Oh. Alright. We need to go shopping. She didn't even notice. Alright, this basket is our new base of operations. Oh no, she's seen us. We've been spotted. Abort mission, abort mission, abort mission. Oh, we're safe. We're safe. I need to find a toothbrush. Oh, the hairbrush is right in the middle. Darn. Alright. Well, I'm gonna grab a carrot if you don't mind. Or maybe not. Oh. Oh, I love green onions. Let's do it. Oh no, we've been spotted. Why does this keep happening to me? Why does it? Oh no! We've been looted. Alright, we might need a better location for this basket. This is not sketchy at all. I feel like we can make use of those walkie-talkies we found earlier. Yes. 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 Ha, ha, ha. Wait. What if there's a toothbrush in the trash can? I can... There is. That's a toothbrush, right? Oh! I have a shield. That's a toothbrush. What the heck? Alright, I'm a completionist. I have to do this. Alright, toothbrush. Done. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to put this walkie-talkie right over here. Alright, you saw nothing. We're going to do some spy work here. What we're going to do... Actually, I'm going to drop that right there. Pick that up. Where's the woman? Oh, run. Drop that. Run. Hairbrush. Run. Alright, we were not spotted. Mission success. If by chance there's anyone aside from my close group of friends watching this video, loo paper, okay? It's gonna be a thing. Tin food. Cleaner. What's a cleaner? Oh, wait, is this the cleaner? No. Goose. No. What are you doing? Yeah. He's just flapping his wings. He's so happy. Alright. Enough of that. Get your beak out of the bottle. Is that in the basket? Apparently so. Okay. Is that tin food? Run. 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 Yeah, we've gone shopping. Now trap the shopkeeper in the garage. Okay. So, she seems to chase me when I steal stuff from her. So I'm going to steal a pair of leeks. Go into the garage. Drop the leeks here. And run out. But on my way out, I'm going to shut you in there. Ta-da! And that, children, is how you... Stop! In the name of the law! As I was saying, children, that is how you do an evil. But for the children watching at home, please do not do an evil. I know I'm a bad influence. You don't see me! You don't see me. I'm just a walking trash can lid. The name's Trash. Goose Trash. I don't know what I'm doing. Something looks fishy about this. And I can interact with it, so apparently it is. Oh! Is this someone's house, right? I've just broken in. Oh! Mm-hmm. Alright, sneak mode. It's an old man. We have a new to-do list. Do the washing with a bra, a pair of socks, a slipper, a bar of soap. So I'm going to... What is he doing? Oh, well. Absolutely relatable. I, too, do brush my thighs now and then. In my old age. Alright, I see. when the man's reading his paper, I'm just gonna run. Alright. Make someone break the fancy vase. Make the man spit out his tea. Make the man go barefoot. Well, I guess I couldn't go this way anyways. Oh. I'm just breaking and entering. Oh no, she spotted me! Abort, abort, abort. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, hey! Mind your own business, lady. Alright. Is that the fancy vase? Oh, she's putting up the fence again. Oh no. Get dressed up with a ribbon. So that's a ribbon. So I feel like I want to replace this duck statue because I am fabulous and I am worth it. Alright, I am ready. Come and dress me up. Oh, what? I can touch it. Oh, oh, baby. Alright, so she's gonna see the ribbon, right? No, 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 she saw me. Okay. Can I interact with fish? I can. Oh my gosh, everything in this house is a statue. Alright, no, I need to distract her. Alright, cool. She saw nothing. She saw nothing. Alright, I'm about to get prettied up. I wonder if that's just an idea. That idea I thought of earlier. The going to the mall and clothing idea. Haha! I am a fancy goose now. Wait, where'd the man go? Oh. Man's is... No! 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 You're not taking this ribbon from me. Go away. Oh, wait. Is this the fancy vase? It looks fancy. Well, hello, sir. Oh, no! No! You made me drop the ribbon! No! Oh, no! He threw it back. Wait, if he throws the ribbon back, is he gonna throw the vase back? Oh, she found the duck. Oh! She saw the vase! Oh, I am so sorry! Make someone break the vase. Not like this, man. Not like this. Oh, I have the bra. I'm stealing the bra. That's nice. Alright. But I'm also gonna take your socks. Foot fetish. What? I said nothing. Oh no, she saw me! Is there soap somewhere? I remember I watched someone play through and I saw soap. Oh, I better get in here before she closes the gate. I wonder if I need the other sock though. Is that soap? Oh, it's... Oh, bubbly honk. Get away. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away. Get away. He just leaves? Okay, no. I'm gonna go and take your stuff, my man. I'm taking your newspaper? Alright. He's thinking about the bra. Oh, you dirty man. You dirty old man. You. That's inappropriate. So it looks like I do have to get the sock. But he's going to throw the bra back. And he's also going to throw the sock back. Man's not here. Wait, he didn't grab the bra. But he took the other sock. No. You know what? You, sir. I do not appreciate what you are doing. Alright, fine. Let's see who can get this done the fastest. Oh no, she's closing it up. That means I have to go this way. It's gonna take too long. Man's gonna throw the bra back in before I can wash the bra and put it... I was about to say put it on. No! No! You man! No! Oh! That was my hard-earned sock! Oh, you will not take the bra from me today! Words I've never thought I'd utter in my life. Oh! He took the sock! No! Alright, man. It's on. It's absolutely on. Dang it. Wait, where's she running? She's thinking about the sock, but she ran away from me. Maybe I should incapacitate the man somehow. That sounds terrible. What are you gonna do with the bra? He's trying to throw it back over and he can't. Alright, this is not working. Make the man go barefoot. Wait, I put the sock in the perfect spot. Oh, but he's got the soap. What if I can take the soap from him? No, I can't. Okay, well. Wait, I can. Alright, I'm gonna put the soap right here. Oh! Ha ha ha! You're wet. Fine. Old man, I'm gonna make you pay for this. I'm gonna make you pay for the trouble you're causing. Artist Goose. Oh! What the? What was that spin? She turned around and she was like right there. Oh my goodness. Oh, a bell. Oh, I know what I have to do. Oh, he's rubbing his thighs again. What is it with this man? The thighs? I almost didn't notice him drinking the tea. Alright. We're going to steal some of his stuff. Like the hat. And this. The glasses. And we get rid of something else. The pipe. Alright. I'm going to store the stuff right here. We can't see it just yet. He can't find anything. Wow. Alright, I'm safe. That's cool. Alright. So I feel like I know what I need to do with this. This is the bust. This is how to dress up the bust. I need a way to permanently keep this cape down. It's so annoying. This is like when we were a kid and just like looking straight into a fan and just be like, ah, and the voice comes out all like robotic and stuff. Okay, before she closes the gate, let me just throw everything in here, and then I can slowly get it to the bust. Oh, she put it on. Very nice. This is how we troll the man. Honey, have you seen my pipe, my glasses, and my beret? Yes, dear. I've put them on my new man. Alright, you know what? I'm going to store the soap here for now. Oh, the trash can lid is still there. Yes! That's a good game. Oh, no. Hello. Nothing to see here. Give me your shoe. Give me your shoe. Give me your shoe. I'm running away with your shoe. No. I know where I can bring the shoe. But, you, sir, I am taking your newspaper. You have lost your privileges, sir. Come out if you can. Oh! Oh! She finished it. Come here, buddy. Oh, yeah. That's a tight squeeze. Nothing to see here. Just a trash can lid. Alright, it's time to do the washing. Run. Sock number 1. Oh, fine. I'll take the low-hanging bra. Because why not? Who doesn't love a good setup? She's looking for her bra. Did my husband take it again? Now she's looking... Oh, what was that? Alright, run. Sock. Run. Haha! You can't catch me now. Alright, let's see if I can make this in one trip. No, I can't. No, don't you dare close it on me. Why can't you just appreciate the fact that I'm washing your clothes for you? I'm doing a chore. You look like you're busy trying to reorganize your garden. Oh, but wait, I'm the one who messed up your garden. Sorry. Oh, his shoe. Oh, he crossed his feet. Okay, hello, don't mind me. Yes! Yes! Let the man go barefoot. Whoa. Oh, a new to-do item. But I'm gonna grab the bar of soap first. Oh. Rose. That's new. Make someone prune the prize rose? Wait a minute. What's so prized about this rose? Oh, it's a big rose. Alright. I'm gonna finish the washing. Are you proud of me? I did the laundry. He spotted the bra. He's thinking about it again. My man. My man, you dirty man. Oh, he looked at me. Actually, I don't think I need the clip. Oh! Here's your bra, lady. And while you're distracted, bra, I'm gonna... Wait! The bird just went back to its original shape! Alright, oh, I've got to see how this plays out. That's the exact same reaction your wife had to you breaking her prize vase. Oh, what is that? Purple tile? Purple square? What is that? Oh no! Was that sign there the whole time? Anyways, we're progressing. Sick. Where are we? Big blatant arrow that points left. No, we're not following that arrow left. Well, I mean, the world stops there. Okay. Imagining just walking down a street and suddenly you realize, oh, there's nothing in front of me. The world ends. That looks suspicious. Someone's coming. Don't tell me they're gonna pick up the box. What happened to this? Get into the pub. Break the dartboard. Get the toy boat. Make the old man fall on his bum. Be awarded a flower. Steal a pint glass. Drop in the canal. Set the table. Knife. Fork. Plate. Pepper. Candle. Wait. Why did he look at the box and then just... Oh. She looks like... she's a worker. Wait, did you just single-handedly, one arm, just pull the box up and then... Look at where she's holding the box. She's not even holding the handle. What kind of arm strength do you need to be able to... What kind of grip strength? Just hold the box like this. I know they don't have fingers in this game, but this image is just... it's too good not to think about it like that. Alright, let's do some really quick exploring. And then, oh, I can't get out of the box. Oh, don't go back in the box. What are you doing? Wait. No, what am I supposed to do? I can't. Oh, okay. Oh, a plate. A plate. Let's start setting the table. Yeah. Oh, I've been recording for 1 hour and 10 minutes. I should probably stop, but this is so fun. Because goose. Oh, that's cool. There's a secret passageway under the thing. This is the old man. I feel so bad. Oh, hello, ladies. I bow. Oh, you want me to flap? Hey. Hey. Alright, let's see if we can set the table, and I think I'll call it there. Oh, dear. This woman looks like she's not fond of me. And I'm not fond of you either. Oh, that's a fork. Alright. Goose, final mission. Goose is heading in for the target. Goose has retrieved the first target. Oh, bogey inbound. Bogey is distracted. Can I get away? Yes. Bogey is running. Goose is running. Running from Bogey. Bogey is on my tail. Literally. No. I have succeeded in retrieving one item. And I have set the table. I need a knife. Goose with a knife sounds very, very scary. I want to know what the pepper is, though. Like, why do you want me to set a pepper on the table? Oh, that's what you mean. Pepper. Alright. Can I, drop stuff down from here? Oh, it's the toy boat. It's the toy boat. Let's fill this sink up with water, then, because I feel like that's how I'll get the boat. Boats float, right? Float my boat. Oh, I can drop stuff out of this. That's great. I need a knife. She's looking for the... Oh, I see a knife. Oh, look at these big brain plays. While she is distracted by me stealing the pepper, I have the perfect escape route. And while she's distracted by me stealing the knife, I'm gonna drop the knife, come and start filling up the water. Oh, I've been spotted. Out of here. Wait, this is a pint glass, right? I bet you it is, but this is my hiding spot. No! She's gonna see my stash of things. What? Oh, I broke the glass! I'm gonna set the table nice and pretty for a goose date. It's so fascinated with the pepper. It's like, ah! And I must admit, I am a piece of trash. This table that I've set for you, everything is stolen. And I feel no shame. Also, what do I have to do with the pint glass? Drop it in the canal. Okay. Where's the canal? Oh, sir! I am sorry! You broke the glass! Look what you've done! Oh, there's a candle. Oh, that's a candle. Oh, there's another knife. Goose with a knife. Oh, you wanna fight me, dude? You wanna fight me, man? First of all, I'm gonna complete my objective. Oh, is this another passageway? Oh, I'm safe under here! Get away from me! Guys, I am an absolute idiot. I have a problem with my camera. I'm sorry, my camera doesn't record for extended periods of time. So I'm determined to finish this game because I am so close to finishing it, and I am confident I can keep it under an hour and 30 minutes of recording time. So I'm going to keep playing, but unfortunately for that section, there's no face I can show you guys. Oh, sir, don't mind me. No! Oh, I've been spotted on multiple occasions. Oh! Drop, plate, run, run. No, no, no. Grab the pint. No, no. Under the table. Now, stealth 10,000. Yeah, I might as well just finish the game at this point, right? Alright. Alright, then. Oh, I can't set it down without breaking it. Oh, no. Give me the knife. I want the knife. Goes with the knife is... Oh, yes, I have my knife. Get away from me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh! I broke the pint. No. In my beak. Where's the canal? Oh, there's a path here. This is the canal. I can walk off the canal. Goodbye. Yes, alright. What are all these paths? Where does this lead? Oh! This is the beginning area where the garden of the first... Oh. Last I checked, the speed run for this game is something like 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Yeah, it's ridiculous. But that's because there's tons of glitches and bugs and just things you can exploit. Like clipping through walls and not following the laws of physics or any laws at all. Your arm strength is ridiculous. What if I pop out, like right now? What if I just like honk? Oh yeah! What is this? Goose with a knife on a mission. Let's do it. I'm gonna bring the knife into the next area with me. Oh no, she's coming. Quickly, 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 hurry up and fill. I'm distracting you. All right, let's make a run for it. Grab the toy boat. Grab the toy boat. Grab the toy boat. Yeah, no, no. Give me the toy boat. No, no, no. You woman, you've cornered me. No, no, no. Get out of here. Meanwhile, the water's just overflowing. I don't know what she'll deal with first, the toy boat or the water overflowing. Oh, it seems like she'll deal with me first. All right. No, get away. No, 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 no. Stop it. I'm being bullied. Ma'am, you know it's not ethical to do this. I'm just a poor goose trying to make a living out of sabotage and evil. And she just gives up. All right, cool. So she's distracted by the water. Run with the boat. I've got the toy boat. Wait, that's all I need to do? Oh! Wait, is that all I need to do? Oh, I'm done! Drop a bucket on the burly man's head? How do I do that? Yeah, suddenly she can't find me anymore. Oh, this is great. She's angry! Look at how angry, look at that stomping! Before I do anything else, I need a knife. No, I don't need plate. I don't need fork. I need knife. Yes. Oh, bucket. Yes. Oh, shoot. No. Okay, I see what I'm supposed to do. Yes! Alright, harmonica's mine. Oh, that's a no goose sign. That's a bad sign. Oh, buddy. Mans seen me. Mans has seen me. No, 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 no. Mans, you're... I'm leading you to your doom. Alright, tomato. Oh, okay, I have to hustle. Because he's going to put the tomato back, and he's in perfect position for me to dunk on him. Let's do it. No! I missed! No! Alright, do I need multiple tomats? Let's just, all the tomats. Oh, he's here. He's here. Yes! What's gonna happen now? Oh! Well, that's what we call a bloody mess. Oh, that's terrible. Goose with a knife is... Oh! Alright, now it looks like I've done something to the man's backside. Alright, perfect. Get out of here. Oh, look at that clipping. Where's my knife? I've got my knife. Goose is leaving. Oh, so he opened the trash lid, and yeah, that's right. The final area is just a hop, skip, away. Alright. If I remember correctly, get into the model village, steal the beautiful miniature golden bell. Alright. Alright. This is where we say goodbye to the knife. Knife will forever... Oh. Alright. I'm breaking the castle. This is Attack on Titan, but Attack on Goose. Oh, it's tipping. What kind of monster strength does this goose have? New to-do list item. Take it all the way back. I knew it. Okay. Is there anyone in this area? Putting the bell down. I'm opening the gate. Oh boy, this is scary. I just need to sneak quietly. Oh no, I've been spotted. Haha, you cannot defeat my stealth. Where's the man? Oh, the man's waiting for me. Oh no. Oh, he's seen me. Wait, where's he going? Alright, just run. Run away. victory? Question mark? Oh no, it's locked. Oh, they're all locked. Oh no, that means I have to go through. Oh no, oh no, oh no. All right. It's time to run away. My man's is... They fixed the fence. All my stuff is still there. He got one shoe back. Alright, I gotta run. The gate is open. Sweet. I've been spotted! No! That's my bell! Give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me! Yes! Why did she just, like, stop? Oh no, this is super fast. Oh wait, this is the TV shop. This is the... Oh no! The women, they're on to me. Hey boy. Oh, that's my bell! My bell! No, Mom, bell. No, bell is mine. Bell is mine. Bell is mine. No. No, bell is mine. Bell is mine. I love how they just like pause. Mine. Alright, boy, you won't stop me. You're scared of me, boy. Ah! Oh no! Oh no! How did she catch that out of midair? That's my bell then? I'm sorry. And if you come in here, you're trespassing. Oh yeah, they will come. I'll bet you he's standing right outside his gate. I knew he would be. Don't you dare come this way. I mean, come this way so I can bait you away and ha 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 to victory. I am not home free yet. He is a scary man who can come down into the wild. Oh, he's coming soon. Oh, he's coming. The bike? Yeah, I remember the bike. The boot, the fallen tree. Yeah, okay. This was just... Oh, it's been 2 hours. Goodness gracious. And I just dump it in my pile of bills. So, all those signs must be from this demon goose just, being a dick. And I just realized that my camera is absolutely dead. Both my cards are full with video and pictures. So this has been Untitled Goose Game by House. A very nice indie game. It's very creative. I think they took concepts that are silly and fun, and they managed to make it into a nice game. It's a little bit short, I think, because the speedrun is 2 minutes. What kind of speedrun is 2 minutes? But a small compact game, and I think it's fun. It's something you can share with your friends, and I'll bet you that I'm sharing this video with all my friends. So it's unfortunate that you aren't able to see my face, but if you like watching this video and would like to see more, leave a comment down below, drop a like on this video, and absolutely do subscribe to my channel, as I will continue to look into providing some more gameplay videos for you, especially since Luigi's Mansion is coming out soon. Hopefully by the time this video is recorded and uploaded and edited, I will be playing Luigi's Mansion. I don't know for how long, probably just 1 episode, and we'll see how that goes. But definitely I will try to stream Pokemon Sword and Shield on this channel, and maybe Twitch as well. I'll have to figure out the specifics of that. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. I hope I have not bothered you and taken up too much of your time. But with that, peace. Press Y to honk. You thought I was gone? Oh, I'm all the way here. Oh, there's new to-dos? Oh, no! Oh, no! Did you finally do this quickly? Reset to give this a go. Oh, no! Let me know if you want to see me do all of these to-dos. But I will see you next time. Wes out. Oh Oh my gosh, the hat in the corner.